Yan po ang aming tanghalian, bangus at kamatis na may sibuyas at toyo at kanin. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Piritong bangus, yummy. Kain po tayo, followers at subscriber. Huwag po niyong kakalimutan, pa-subscribe ng aking YouTube channel at pa-like and pa-share and comment. Marami pong salamat. At pati na rin po ang aking Facebook profile. Papalo na rin po at pa-subscribe. At ang aking Facebook page. Marami pong salamat. Bye-bye. Kain po tayo ng tanghalian. Bye-bye po.